the bright little town of Sunnyville, there was a school called Rainbow Primary School where every child loved recess, but nobody liked homework, especially not 8-year-old Max. Max loved cartoons, chocolate cookies, and jumping on the sofa like it was a trampoline. But homework? Nope, absolutely not. Every day Max would say, "I'll do it later." But later never came. One Monday evening, Max threw his math notebook under the bed and shouted, "Go away, homework. I wish homework would disappear forever." Suddenly, boom! The room shook. Flash! Green sparkles filled the air, and out from under the bed popped a giant, fluffy purple monster, wearing glasses and holding a pencil bigger than a baseball bat. "Hello!" the monster shouted. Max screamed. The monster smiled. "I am Bob, the homework monster." Max blinked. "The what?" Bob adjusted his glasses. "Every time a kid avoids homework, I grow bigger." "So, you're here because of me?" Max asked. Bob nodded proudly. "Yup, thanks. I had 3 pizzas on the way here." Bob sat on the bed. "Now, listen carefully. If you keep ignoring homework..." Suddenly, Max's room filled with mountains of worksheets, flying pencils, dancing math books, and spelling tests, singing loudly, "Do your work!" Max covered his ears. "Make it stop," Bob pointed dramatically. "Only one thing can defeat me," Max asked. "What?" Bob leaned closer. "Finishing your homework." So Max grabbed his notebook and started solving math problems as fast as possible. 2 + 2 = 4. 5 × 3 = 15. Spell banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. As he worked, Bob slowly began shrinking. "Wait, no, stop. I'm becoming educational. Smaller, smaller, smaller." Soon, Bob was the size of a potato, then a cupcake, then, poof, he turned into a tiny purple eraser. His mom opened the door. "Wow, you finished your homework." Max smiled proudly. "Yes, and I defeated a monster." Mom nodded. "Good. Please defeat the monster in your closet next." Max froze. "The what?" From the closet came a deep voice. "I am the laundry monster," Max screamed. And from that day on, the town woke up right on time, and even smiled while doing it. Tiki finally learned that mornings aren't so bad, especially when you don't face them alone.